Imagine getting your WooCommerce sales report automatically, right in your inbox. No spreadsheets, no hassle, just instant insights. With ShopLentor's sales report email module, you can automate your sales data delivery. Stay on top of your store's performance with customized, scheduled reports that give you the power to make smarter business decisions. Getting started is easy. Head to ShopLentor. Settings. Modules. Enable the sales report email module and save. Customize your report schedule. Choose from every 5 minutes, hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly. Add multiple recipients so your whole team stays informed. Pick the metrics you want to track: sales revenue, order volume, top products, and more. Here's why this matters. No more wasting hours on manual reports. Catch sales trends before they impact revenue. Share insights instantly with your team. Tailor reports to fit your unique business needs. Mobile-friendly reports you can check anywhere. Shop owners using this module report higher productivity, better decision-making, and faster reaction times, transforming raw data into profit-driving actions. Ready to stop chasing data and start growing your store? Activate the sales report email module with ShopLentor today. Automated insights delivered to your inbox so you never miss a sale.